happened, y'all. You know, paying thousands of dollars for birthday parties and the kids don't even have a college savings fund. What's more important? An image for people? Joel Osteen talked about that too, about people idolizing their images on social media and not idolizing God. I'm just saying that the reason why I talk about God so much here is, y'all, so many of the problems of the world will be resolved if we just go back to Christ, come back to Christ. I know it worked for me. You know, going through situations and circumstances and not knowing what to do, grieving, heartbroken, and just all that. And then when I just totally surrendered and gave it all to him, I'm at the most peace I've ever been in my life. I still miss my mom. I'm still lonesome and all that. What is he doing? Is he flexing a jump? Look at that walk like that. But I have this peace. And I know it comes from God. It wasn't nobody but God got me through. My mom died because I really thought. And this girl was telling me about a situation. She had ran into a guy that she went to high school with. And the guy was telling her that he had a nervous breakdown and everything. And he gotten on drugs. But he said what happened, what was the catalyst for him is he lost his mom. And I had compassion for that young man because I totally get it. I didn't have a nervous breakdown, but oh my goodness. And for anybody that has suffered the loss of their mother, my condolences to you, my love for you, because I know how hard that is. And until you've actually gone through it, you don't understand. You don't understand. You just really don't. But anyway, y'all, I just came on to speak, say hi, welcome all my new subscribers. Like I say, everything I do over here is love. Everything I do is to motivate, inspire, give you some encouragement, show you about some sales, show you about some things I use that work for me. I get a lot of comments that I tried your recipe, I liked it, I used that what you said use, and it came out good for me. And that's what I'm here for. Man, look, if I can help you in any way I can, I just think that that's my calling, to be a beacon of light, like I say, in an often dark world. And, you know, like I said, a lot of times you do things for people and you may get a thank you or whatever, but sometimes nothing. But like I say, God knows, and he sees. And sometimes, you know, you could profit off of somebody else's idea. You could profit from it, but what have you lost? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But anyway, yeah, I just think if you don't get things right, you won't be able to keep them, or what you'll get as a result of, if you do things in a wicked way and you profit off of it, the profit you're going to get is going to cause you more misery than it is peace. Yeah, I truly, truly believe that. But in life, we learn lessons. We go through situations, and the things we go through make us strong. It teaches us life lessons. It helps us to grow. Look, nobody knows everything. That's why I come on here. I ask your opinion. If I see something that I may have an idea about it, I give you what I went through. Because you know what? A lot of our testimonies are to help somebody else, like Ray was saying last night. You know why the Lord sends you through some things? Because you're tough enough to overcome it, and you can help somebody avoid from going through the same thing you went through. That's why I keep preaching about what I've been through, like my testimony, having a child in high school, and high school dropout for a couple of months. Went back to school, graduated, was able to go on out to college, finally did graduate. I was 34 years old when I finally got my degree. Yeah. But you know, the thing is, you don't give up and you don't stop. I told this lady one time, she was going through something and she didn't know what to do. You know what I told her? I say, keep going till the Lord tell you to stop. And then I was listening to Pastor Greg Lowry. I love him on the Sunday morning. He said, I think it was him, I be watching so many, but one of them said, God shows up when you run out of other options. Like, once you do all you can do, then that's when you've given your 100%, that's when he takes over. Yes, Lord. Woo. I just want to encourage somebody this morning, because I know people be going through things and you don't know where to turn. And sometimes we go through things, y'all, our best friends, our closest family don't know. We suffer in silence. But you don't have to. God is always there. Go to him. Give him your problems, whatever they are. And I know we worry because we're human and we made of flesh. But when you can give it to God and go to sleep at night, oh God, that's peace. That's peace. And I pray that you all find that peace soon, if you don't already have it, because Lord have mercy. What a blessing. What a blessing. Y'all, I think I done gained weight. I went to put on a dress yesterday. It was tight. This dress kind of tight. I'm like, what's really going on? And it's like right here. I don't know, feel like I'm stuffed up. I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, y'all be blessed. Have a good day. Much love. Bye.